How do I share my screen with you, Roger? Skype.
Uh,
Okay, here we go.
mhm.
All right, tell me when you can see my screen.
Yep, I can see it now.
All right, let's rock and roll. So this is how you share Trainual with somebody. So I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna go to subjects, or rather, users. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make you a user. So I'm gonna go to invite user. I'm going to add a single user. Roderick. What is it? RHODERICK?
Yep.
Roderick Chan. Email is, what's your email again, Roderick?
Intend to be like N Nancy, T Tango, E N, another N for Nancy, B dog, the number 2, B Bravo, at yahoo.com.
Oh, like Nintendo, the game.
That's right.
Okay, so is that, you can see my screen, is that spelled right?
Yep.
Okay, role, call center, operations manager. And I'm gonna go to invite now. Okay, Roderick, cool. Now from there, Roderick, you got an email sent to you. Can you share your screen with me, please? I'm actually documenting the process of adding somebody to Trainual. So I'm gonna unshare my screen. Stop sharing. So I stopped sharing my screen. Now share yours with me.
Hold up.
Invitation, go ahead and accept it. Go ahead and enter your name, job title, password. For those that are doing this on my end, what you're going to end up doing is I'm going to go to Roderick Chan, and then I'm going to manage assigned subjects. I want him to access, so I'm assigned subjects. He's going to do the daily lead tracker. I'm going to add it, and I'm going to save. One new subject confirmed. That is how you add a task for someone. So he now has that assigned on his end. He's creating a username and password. So Roger, go ahead and do your username and password. I shouldn't be able to see it if it's encrypted. So
Sure. Okay.
So job
So
title.
am I supposed to
yeah,
put in this
outbound call center
outbound call center
manager. Mm-hmm.
password should be
Make it
okay.
make it whatever you want it to be.
Okay. Alright, I agree. Let's go.
Roderick, Trainual is our hub for where you're going to learn how to do a lot of your job. Basically, I have topics and tests in there, and you know what it's just going to do is just track to make sure you're doing it. Go ahead and click Daily Lead Tracker.
Alright.
Yep. So those are all your tasks to do. So go ahead and click on that top one, not started. How to navigate through your tracker. There you go. You'll click that. And there you go. That's how to navigate through everything. You've got 3 videos to watch. A lot of it is videos. You're kind of hands-on dude. So I wrote this down. Here's how I'm going to teach you. I show you, you watch. So I show you, you watch, and you watch means like you watch me do it and you watch the videos, and then you show me how to do it. Because when you can teach someone how to do something, you've pretty much mastered it. The very first thing that I want to teach you is how to navigate through this tracker. Right? I don't even want to get into, you know, how to make calls and how to do rebuttals. Let's just make sure you know how to navigate through this thing. Cool?
Perfect.
Cool. We're gonna go real slow. You know, I'll be honest, Roger. One of the things I'm gonna put. Well, let me backtrack. I apologize for not getting that agreement to you. I actually had someone stand me up that was supposed to help me, but I found somebody I'm meeting with them tonight to get it typed up or edited. It is a 2-week trial, but if you're able to do the job earlier, we just start paying you earlier. I'm not like if you're somebody that learns it in a week. I mean, we're rolling in a week, and ultimately the goal that I'm looking for is for you to start being able to book calls on your own. But obviously, you need to learn to crawl before you run. Did I say that right? Crawl before you run? Yeah, you need to crawl before you run. So we're gonna teach you how to crawl or before you walk. Okay, it's crawl before you walk. Sorry, I skipped some. Okay, so Roderick, are you cool on Trainual? Like you see how to do it. So let's just walk through a sample. Go ahead. So you've kind of read all that. Go ahead and click overview. Watch that video, and just click on the video just to make sure it works.
Okay.
Go ahead and click play.
There you go.
Good to go on your end?
Yep, it's running perfectly fine.
Cool. Now go ahead and back out of the video. Now scroll down in your page. There you go. When you've watched all the videos and you've taken notes and you kind of get that, go ahead and click mark completed. So let's pretend you got it. Go ahead and click mark completed on the bottom right.
Okay. Continue. Frequently asked questions.
Yes.
So.
Yep. Go ahead and click yes. And there you go. So you'll go through your next section. Yep. There you go. So let's go ahead and now that you kind of got that, go ahead and back out of it. We're good. You can kind of close out.